welcome back in our online class. Hi, this is Dharti Modi once again. Today we have come here at Mahendra sir's home to take his interview. But first of all, I want to show you guys his home. After that, we will start his interview. But first of all, we see his house. So without any further delay, let's get started. class. Hi, this is Dharti Modi, assistant teacher of IUC Institute. Today I have Mr. Mahendra Dekate, the founder of this class, and he is the executive director of also of this class. Today I have come here to his house to take his interview. So let's get started. Hello sir, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And how
So
are you?
I am also fine. So I am very excited to take your interview. That I have taken so many students interview, but I am too much excited to take your interview. First of all, I want to listen from you that how is your journey of your career?
Actually, what I say about my journey, actually, first I want to tell you that I was belong from very poor family. Actually, I never decided that in future I would become a teacher. But my journey started. Actually, I want to tell you that I was very clever student since first standard to 12th standard, and actually every time I used to get more than 80 to 85 percentage, and we were very poor. But at that time. There was a neighbor, and I know that her that neighbor name is Mrs. Godavari Ben Patel, and she had a son. She has a son right now also, and actually Hitesh, his name was Hitesh, and she told me that you are very clever, and my son is very average students in the studies, so that's why she told me that let's start his tuition. And I said that okay, I can teach. Actually, my family always desired that Mahendra would become a doctor in his life, because I always used to get more than 80 percentage. That is why, and I also wanted to become a doctor, because I never thought that I would become a teacher. So at that time, first time when I was in 11th science, at that time after 10th I got 88 percentage, and I decided to take science, and she gave me his tuitions, and first time in my life I started teaching to Hitesh. And at that time I decided that first I want to tell you that I started my journey since 7th standard, because I used to do a job like a compounder in a doctor. Actually we were very poor, that is why I used to go to Sanjeevani Hospital for doing a job like a compounder. And 7th standard to 9th standard I did a job, and after that that was a 10th standard, and my brother decided that Mahendra, it is your board, so you should not do a job. That's why I concentrated on my study, and I got 88 percentage. And after that 11th standard when I came, at that time Godavari auntie told me that Mahendra, teach Hitesh. Then I said okay. Then I was also at home, and I started teaching him. Or every time I used to teach him maximum 2 hours, and he was very poor. He was very, not poor means in study he was very poor, and very weak student. And at that time I taught him very nicely, and because of me and my hard work, actually I took work. Actually he was not very hard working boy, but I took that kind of work, and I was also very strict. And because of my hard work, and I taught him very nicely, he got 73 percentage. And I was, actually he excited, it's okay, but I was too much excited, because I thought that look at that, I taught first time I took tuitions, and I got he got 73 percentage. And at that time I thought that I can become a teacher. Actually before 11th standard I thought that I would become a doctor, but when I came in 11th to 12th standard I thought that I told you that I belong from poor family, not a middle class family also, because there were 8 members in my family. That is why everybody accepted that, but they didn't know that how much expensive I had to pay for that. So that is why then 11th standard, 12th standard I completed, and I knew that I become a little bit mature person, because I was 18 years old. So naturally I become matured, and I told my brother that brother, if I want to become a doctor, so it costs a lot. You have to expense a lot on me, because maximum 20 to 25 lakh rupees if you expense on me. So definitely I can become a doctor. But look at 20 lakh rupees. Our father doesn't have 20,000 rupees in a bank. So how can he spend on 20 lakh rupees on me? So I said that brother, think positively. And from heart I thought that I taught Hitesh, and I thought that teaching is a good profession, so I want to become a teacher. So at that time my brother supported me, and he told me that okay Mahendra, whatever you want to become, you may start. So that was the turning point of my life, because
So you have started teaching in very young age.
yeah, very young age. I was only 16 years old, and I started teaching to Hitesh, and Hitesh was my first tuition. And after that um, after that I started teaching to third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard, and I gave a wonderful result. So because of me, and I was very hardworking since childhood. I told you that I
Right
work
now
very
you
hard.
are hardworking
Yeah,
also.
right now even today in my class I personally you know that you are my assistant teacher,
Yeah.
so you know that I personally take more than 10 hours. So I only teach. Actually I have an assistant teacher, but I give them 2 or 3 or 4 lectures, but I teach back to back. I have a batches and I full stamina. You know that my stamina is that. So teaching is my passion, and that was my first turning point when I was 11th standard, and at that time my life completely changed, and I started taking tuitions. I didn't go for that compoundering job, so my life completely changed. And after that I like to teach a lot, and day by day I was taking tuition. Actually you're surprised to know that my first tuition Godavari auntie gave me 50 rupees per month.
Oh.
Okay, 50 rupees per month. And actually that was different time, so 20 years ago,
Yes.
22 years ago I am talking about. So she gave me that kind of amount, but after that I started teaching to the students, and day by day I gave a wonderful result. And someone told me that if you want to become a teacher you have to do B.Ed. So after my graduation, after completing my graduation, I completed my MA master degree, and after that I joined B.Ed and I became a teacher, and I started doing a job like a teacher. Actually okay, I was teaching, and but I was only teaching to 8 to 12 standard special English primary student, and 8 to 12 standard only teaching special subject English. Never thought about the English speaking course. But when I used to go to take tuitions to students house, at that time they told me that when I asked them where is Mahesh, where is Manish, where is Sweta, then they used to tell me that they have gone to English speaking class. And I said
Yes.
that English speaking class. And actually I also completed my spoken English class in 8th standard, but I never thought that I should also teach how to speak English, and special English subject I should teach, because I was a B.Ed, so I had completed my B.Ed. So I thought that I should become a 8 to 12 standard English. But when my students told me that they are going to
English
the
speaking.
English speaking class,
Yes.
and after that I said that I want to know that how they teach. And then I took their book and I saw that, oh my god, very easily actually whatever 8 to 12 standard we teach, that kind of subject they teach, so I can also teach. And look at that, when I went to some classes and I thought that the teachers who are taking English speaking course, even they cannot speak English,
Yes.
and they are taking English speaking course, they are running English speaking class. And I thought, I asked myself, "Hey, look at that, yeah, I have a great knowledge of English. I completed,
speak
yeah,
English.
I can speak English very fluently,
Fluently.
and I can give a wonderful result to my students,
students.
and why I don't teach spoken English?" Then I decided I should also start teaching, but I never copied anybody's book. I always followed my ideal person, Mr. Mahadevan Kokate. Actually, my brother had gone to Mumbai, and he know that English is Mahendra's passion. So he brought a book for me, and he told me that, Mahendra, I got a book for you, and he gave me that book, and I read that book, and really I like that book very much. Actually, in that book he didn't put any kind of chapters. Mahadevan Kokate said that if you want to become a teacher, and if you want to give a result, and if you want to make your students speak English, so follow this kind of rules, follow this kind of principles, so definitely you can give a wonderful result. So that was his policy, that in his book he said that okay, first standard to 12th standard so many students study there, but actually in the class, when we are sitting in the class, our teacher teaches any kind of lessons. So you were also in the 10th standard, 12th standard, and I was also in that 10th and 11th and 12th standard, but we never spoke English.
Yes.
Actually we just grab that kind of things. Grab
Yes.
means ratta lagana. Actually we didn't understand that what we want to say. Actually whatever our teacher used to say, that okay, complete this 6 question answer,
Like
I will,
essay
yeah,
and all
like
this,
essay,
yes.
like short notes, like question answer. So we used to come at home and we used to grab that kind of things, and it's like memorize that kind of
I
things.
have cram also these
Yeah,
types
yeah,
of things.
yeah. So I just used to cram that kind of things, and I thought that but Mahadevan Kokate said that okay, when you study at that time you never speak English, but in English speaking course you will have to make your students speak English. आपको बुलवाना पड़ेगा उनको इंग्लिश. If your student speaks English, then the time they can speak English. Otherwise, whatever chapter you will teach him, definitely they have already learned in a 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. So he has given that kind of scenario. Okay, if you work like that, you can become an English teacher and you can give a wonderful result. So that was my journey, and I read that book, and I specially made whatever.
Your own book, I have
Yeah,
listened
I
that.
have. I never copied. I actually Ayushi Institute. I have given a name. I swear of my daughter Ayushi. I never copied any kind of book. I personally thought that Mahadev Kokate said that actually think which kind of topic you discuss in running life. You talk at least on the base of tenses. Actually, you give advice, so you should teach should. You threaten any kind of person, so you should teach must. Sometimes you request any kind of person, so you should teach would. Sometimes आप अफसोस व्यक्त करते हो, तो you should teach should have plus V3.
Yes,
and ought to have plus
Yeah.
V3. And sometimes you are talking about the strength, so you should teach dare. So whatever sentences come from our mouth, like anybody can ask you that what time is it now, so you have to tell them time. So
Yes.
Mahadevan Kokate said that whatever sentences we speak, so you should have that kind of topic in your syllabus. So I started, that I started my syllabus from ABCD.
ABCD, yes.
First chapter is alphabet, second Ka Kha Ga, third 1 2 3, and after that Z.
Yes.
You know that all the things I have given, whatever I have, 100% I have given in my book. And like that, that was my journey. Actually, I told you that Hitesh, first time I took his tuitions, and after taking his tuition, after giving that wonderful result, I thought that I can become a teacher.
Yes.
And after that, I used to take that 8, 9, 10 standard tuitions, and I realized that where these students have gone, so they said, yeah, I am going in English. We have gone in English speaking class. So after that, I also decided that I should also teach English. I should teach English speaking. Why I am teaching only 8 and 9 and 10 standard? So this kind of thing, I got an idea, and I started my journey like this.
Okay, very motivational story, very motivational journey you have, because a boy who wanted to become a doctor, and suddenly in 7th standard he started teaching, and he know that his patience, and he became a teacher. It's a very motivational story. Then second thing I want to ask you that how you learnt English.
Yeah, this is also interesting story how I learned English. Actually, I want to tell you that where I used to study. So my first school was Sharda Vidya Mandir, and actually first standard to fourth standard I studied that. And really, I want to tell you that I am not very olden era student,
Yes.
but 20 years ago, 25 years ago. Actually, if I tell about my primary education, so I would say that 35 years ago,
Yes.
maximum 34 or 35 years ago, when I was in second standard. So at that time, in our time, actually English started from fourth standard. Okay, English started from fourth standard. So first to fourth standard, I never came across English, and I never thought what is English language. Actually, at that time, we didn't have any kind of channel, and any kind
That
of
types of teacher also.
teacher, and actually only one movie used to come.
Yes.
And I never knew that English is also a language.
Yes.
Actually, I had never listened, because we didn't have mobile, we didn't have television, only one movie, Ramayana era. Actually, I was born at the time of Ramayana
Ramayana,
era.
yes.
So when I was in first, second, third standard, at that time I used to see Ramayana, Mahabharata, that kind of things. So that kind of English I never came across, and I, because of some reason, actually Sharda Vidya Mandir, look at that, I believe in that kind of things. Whatever happened good for us. I
Yes.
also believe like that. Actually, what I say, when I was in Sharda Vidya Mandir first standard to fourth standard, at that time something happened with me. Actually, first standard, second standard, third standard, I got more than 80%,
Yes.
right? 80%, 90%, and suddenly what happened? I don't know what happened. There was a scandal. Actually, that kind of things happened. Incident happened with me. Actually, there was a teacher. His name was Mr. Anil Bhai. Even today I know his name. And actually, he wanted to take my tuition.
Yes.
So actually, I told you that I was from middle class family.
Yes.
So I was from poor family. So, and my brother always regularly used to teach me, and he told me that come in my tuitions. Then I said that no, we don't have any kind of financial condition, so I cannot come in your tuitions.
Yes.
So that kind of things, I didn't go to his tuition. So he retaliate with me, That means he revenged with me.
Yeah.
And actually at that time, nowadays this is the era of percentage,
Yeah.
92, 95. But in my era, numbering, it was on which number you pass. Mama, I pass on second number, third
Yeah.
number. So I always used to get first, second, and third rank. But at that time in fourth standard, when I was in fourth standard, that teacher gave me 36 rank. And actually, why I did not go to his tuition, that is why.
Yeah.
My brother did not believe that Mahendra is very clever boy, he cannot get this kind of result. Then my brother personally went to the principal and he saw there is a long story, I don't want to tell you the long story. But my brother called that teacher and show all the papers, and after that so many teachers came and again they checked my paper, and after that I got 6th rank.
Yeah.
And actually he played a game with me because I did not go to his tuition. Then my brother became very angry, and he said that yeah, he is in only 4th standard, you are playing game, so I don't wish that my brother should study in this school.
Yes.
So because of this reason my brother took my LC, and we came in Purvadeep High School. And at that time I want to tell you that I got my first ideal teacher. And when I entered in the school, 5th standard, first time English came across me, and there was a teacher, her name was Kalpana teacher. And you know that everyone has a different choice, right?
Yeah.
Everyone has a different choice. So I had a maths. At that time I was in primary, so I had only 3 subjects like Gujarati, Paryavan, maths,
Yeah.
etc. So that Kalpana teacher came and she said that English is also a language that is international language. In America, Britain, England, the people speak this kind of language. Little bit, 1 or 2 line, 4 line. Hi, this is Kalpana teacher.
Yes.
Today I am your English teacher, and 5th to 7th standard I will teach you. She speak in English, so that sound I like it very much.
Yeah.
So the way she started teaching me alphabet and Sunday, Monday, and
Yes.
1, 2, 3, the way she was a primary teacher, she was
Yeah.
not a very scholar of English.
Yes.
She was a primary teacher, but the way she started talking like SUNDAY, Sunday itle Ravivar, MONDAY, Monday means Sombar. So that kind of stylish and rhythmic, like poem, like stories, like jokes. The way she started teaching, really I want to tell you that time I was in 5th standard. That was also the turning point of my life, because English became my favorite subject.
Because of only of this teacher.
Actually everyone, if someone is a chemistry teacher,
Yes.
someone is a maths teacher, maths is his passion, drawing is his passion.
Yeah.
Okay, so someone is a Sanskrit teacher.
Yes.
So I never knew that English is also a subject. But
Yes.
when I went to 5th standard, at that time the way Kalpana teacher was teaching, and I liked that subject very much. And after 5th, 6th and 7th standard, whenever I got a result, my marks 100 out of 98, 97, always I used to get more than 95% in English. And the other subject, maths, Paryavan, Gujarati, okay, 75, 82,
Yes.
85. But English I always used to get a fantastic result. And 3 years she taught me back to back, and really English became my favorite subject. And one
You
story,
decided to learn.
yeah, I decided to learn English. But in my school, I also want to tell you that in my school there was a system that if your parents would come, so they will give you result, otherwise they will
Yes.
not give result. My
Yes.
brother was very strict, and he said that everyone has a result, why don't you have a result? Then I said that yeah, my parents have gone to, you know that our parents have gone to Nagpur, so they are not giving me results. So if you have a time, please you come, they will give you result. So first time actually, my mother was very uneducated person, and she was very comedy. To convince my mom is as like as to play a flute in front of the buffalo.
Yeah, okay.
This I'm converting. There is the not bens ke aage bean bajana. This is the not right idiom.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, to convince my mom is like as to play a flute in front of buffalo. So my Kalpana teacher never convinced my mother that he is very clever and so and so. So my brother came and she said that your brother is too much clever in English. And at that time, Kalpana teacher said that I think that this boy will become a life. This boy will become his life. This boy will make his life in English.
Yes. Yeah.
In English literature, in English subject, he will definitely make his life. And she told my brother he has completed 7th standard. So in my area, there was a Maninagar area, you know that in our
Yes.
area, Maninagar area. And she said that he should go for spoken English class. So 25 years ago, 30 years ago, there was no spoken English class and etc. But in Mangalam classes, there was a teacher, Mr. Vinod Bhai Dave. He was a professor of LDS college, and he used to come to take English speaking. Then 5 kilometers was away from my house, but even though it's okay, but English was my passion. I like English very much. Kalpana teacher suggested that Mahendra should go to learn in very young age.
Yes.
He can speak English as we are speaking in Gujarati.
Yes.
Like that, he will start speaking English.
Mm.
So you should send Mahendra to spoken English class. So I went there, and after 7th standard, 6 months I completed my course. And when I was in Gujarati medium school, but even I was actually 13 years old, I started speaking English. Not like this, but I started speaking English.
Like
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah, I started speaking English. I could communicate with any kind of person because I was different kind of student since childhood.
No.
So any kind of, so I used to take fault whenever my English teacher used to teach me. So they also used to become angry on me. Mahendra, you are completed spoken English, that's why you
are
always
making-
takes mistakes, finds mistakes on
Yeah.
our subject, and it's okay. But these 2 or 3 incidents I taught Hitesh, that was the turning point. Kalpana teacher came in my life, that was the turning point. And because of Kalpana teacher, from heart I want to tell you that my life completely changed, and English became my favorite subject. And after that, I am at you.
Yes, very interesting and turning point of your life that you have learned English because of your Kalpana teacher. It's very nice, and I am very glad you are my teacher and you made my life as well as also.
And actually, I also know that you will ask me that, sir, who is your ideal teacher? So this is my first ideal teacher, Kalpana teacher, because of her, my life completely changed, and I got interest in English. So because of 3 years, he back to back constantly taught me, and because of that kind of 5th, 6th, and 7th standard, and 3 years were amazing year of my life, and that was my turning point of my life. And because of that teacher, English became my favorite subject.
And this is the right that teacher is your second parent,
Yeah.
and she made your life. It's very amazing.
Absolutely right.
So third question I want to ask you that why English is the most important language and why all the students should learn this language.
First, I want to tell you that I am Maharashtrian. So first, I am proud of my Maharashtrian language. Second, I want to tell you that I had born in Ahmedabad. So I live in Gujarat. So Gujarati is my mother tongue. I am proud of my Gujarati language, and I am proud of Gujarat. Third thing I want to tell you that I also live in India.
India, yes.
So
As
Hindi is
well
our national language, you know that. So I am proud of my Hindi
Yes.
language, as well as I also live in
Whole
whole
world, yes,
world,
yes.
right? So we should not forget that we are also the part of this beautiful world. Okay, so I am not telling that I am a English teacher, I am an English professor, that's why I am admiring English too much and I am
Yes.
giving too much importance of English. No, but first I want to tell you that I live in Nicole. My class is located in Vastral.
Yes.
Okay, I live in I live in Nicole, I live in Ahmedabad, I live in Gujarat, I live in India, I also live in this beautiful world. So we should accept that English, Hindi is our national language, as English is our international language. Look at the UN, what they had decided when constitution was built. So they said that if you live in India, okay, Hindi is your national language, so wherever you can go, you can communicate with the people in Hindi. But you also live in this beautiful world, so Christian is the first community. So that is why, because of their lot of population, UN said that most of 60% people, Christian people, live in this world. That is why English should be international language. So I want to tell you that English is international language as well as global language. Why you are telling me that you ask me that why students should learn English?
Yes.
I just want to tell you that why students should learn English, because okay, if you have a job in Ahmedabad, you know that if wherever you go, so 5,000, 6,000, 7 to 10,000, this kind of scenario they give you. But if you go to India level, that means Bangalore or Mumbai, that kind of city, if you go there, so they will give you 25 to 35 to 40 to 50,000 as your degrees, whatever you have. But I just want to tell you that if you have a English knowledge, right? English, we also learn English nowadays in KG, first standard, second standard. We have a
Yes.
special subject like English. So if we learn English, so automatically our impression, our personality can increase, and wherever you go, actually if you earn 10,000 rupees, so because of English I can say that you can earn 30,000 rupees. If your salary is 25,000 rupees, because of English your salary will be 75,000 rupees. Because if you want to do any kind of official job, you have to speak English. Because IT field, computer field, scientist field, medical, any kind of field, if you go there, look at that nowadays diploma, degree, you have completed your MCom.
Yes.
So you know that FI, SY, TY, BCom first, BCom second, you completed with English, I know that.
Yes.
So English medium. So if you know English, so you can study. If you don't know English, so how can you study?
Yes.
Right? So I just want to tell you that English is a personality language. Because of English your personality can automatically increase, and if you communicate with any kind of person 5 to 10 minutes, so people will see you like a educated person. One example I want to tell you that one WhatsApp message came in my mobile, and that was a wonderful mobile message.
Yes.
And in that message that person had written that if you are a 10th standard education, okay, if you are 10th standard education, if you are SSC education, and one person who has completed their MCom, BSc, MSc, whatever, but if MSc or BSc or MCom person,
They
they
don't
cannot speak
speak
English, they don't
English.
have the knowledge of English and simple knowledge of
Yes.
computer, so today they are uneducated person. And if the student of standard 10th
He knows
and he
English.
can speak English,
Yes.
so people will recognize him, he is a educated
Educated person.
I can give you so many examples. Look at Akshay Kumar. He
Yes.
doesn't have a much education. Akshay Kumar, Virat Kohli, 11th standard, Sachin Tendulkar, 2-time failing standard 10.
Yes.
So lots of celebrity we have like Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Lata Mangeshkar. They don't have much education. Lata Mangeshkar, can you believe that only 5th standard?
Yes.
Only Abraham Lincoln, only primary education, but he became the president of America, the strongest country of this world. So look at that. They can anyone say that Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar are uneducated person?
No.
Can anyone? No, nobody can say that they are uneducated. But everybody, people see him like a role model.
Yes.
Even my son,
And
he
they are
says that.
speaking English.
Yeah, wow, how nicely, fluently
Yes.
they speak English. And my daughter's favorite hero is Akshay Kumar.
Yes.
He doesn't have. He was a chef,
Yes.
and he doesn't have much education, but he speaks English very nicely.
Very
He's good command over English. And Virat Kohli, my son likes Virat Kohli very much. He said, "Who is your ideal person, role model?" He said, "Virat Kohli is my role model." Look at that. He's uneducated person, but even though people recognize him like a educated
model,
person. So
yes.
I just want to tell you that if you have the knowledge of English, automatically your impression, your personality can increase, and people will see you like a honor, like
Yes.
a very educated person. And English can help you too much. I'm
Yes.
really, I'm telling you, this is the best example. I'm
Yes.
sitting at you. So many teachers used to study with me in a B.Ed. So I know that they are only Gujarati teacher, and you know that Sonal ma'am,
Yes,
she
yes.
used to come from Madhav school.
Yes.
Actually, she was Gujarati. She was in my bench, and her salary is 6,000 rupees. For last 7 years, she has been doing a job, and her salary is 6,000. She told me that, so sir, when I joined this school, my salary is 1,500 rupees, and now 6 years I completed, my salary is 7,000 rupees. And look at Mahendra sir. I was in her bench, but my subject was English. Her subject was Gujarati. Look at that. How much does she earn, and how much do I earn?
Yeah.
So that is the difference. Because if you have the English knowledge, my God, your future, your personality, and you will see after 15 years, after 20 years, you will meet me and you will tell me that, Mahendra sir, look at that, I completed my course because the viewers are listening us and they are watching us. I want to tell you that you completed your course in my class, and right now you are taking my interview. So look at that. Once you were my student, and today you are getting a chance to take my interview. And look at that, how nicely you speak English. But I am telling you, meet me after 15 years, 2020, 2035, call me, Mahendra sir, this is Dati Modi. Look at your life.
Yes.
Definitely completely change, and you will be
Yes.
earning very nicely. Because success doesn't get overnight.
Yes.
Actually, I have come here. I took it took me 20 years.
Yes.
So after 20 years, I am giving you interview. So because of English, really I got a lot of progress, and you have shown my house also,
Yes.
my office also. I'm not boasting myself, but I think that because of that kind of English, I
Yeah.
earn very nicely,
Yes.
and I give my 100%. Don't think that only because of English everything will be happen. With English, you should be also very hardworking person, and 100% if you give, definitely you will have a great success, right?
Okay, thank you so much for giving this importance and telling importance for all of the students who are watching. They can learn English and after watching you they can decide that they also want to learn English. And that second thing I want to ask you that why you put a name like IUC Institute. I have seen in a market like they have put, there are so many spoken class like there are names like a British Academy and English name they put, and why you put like this name IUC Institute?
Yeah, there is also a story. Actually, first I want to tell you that when I wanted to open my class, actually in April I wanted to start, and when I was sitting in the class, I thought that okay, I would give this kind of name. But suddenly one person came with a title and he said that we have this kind of title, and I don't want to tell him the name which kind of title he wanted to give me. And he told me that we have more than 15 classes in all over Ahmedabad, and all over Ahmedabad, and in Gujarat also we have different kinds of classes. So if you take his name, so definitely your class will run very nicely. So I thought that which kind of name you want to give me. Then he said that he told me that this name Sheetal Academy, you can give that kind of name. So I said that who is this Sheetal? Who is this Sheetal? Then he said that Sheetal is our owner's daughter. Okay, he said that Sheetal is our owner's daughter. So immediately an idea stuck in my mind. I thought that if this person can give his daughter's name, if this person can give his daughter's name, so why can't I give? Why shouldn't I give my institute name, my daughter's name? So at that time I want to tell you that that is also a story. I don't want to tell you the whole story. Actually, I had a first girl and second girl also. I had a girl, and there is a long story, and no, so many persons did not wish that the second girl should come. So they wanted to tell me that you should make your wife check, and but I didn't listen anybody, and God gave me second daughter. So okay, but when this daughter came on this earth, after 6 months I bought this IUC Institute class. So immediately an idea struck, and I thought that I should give my daughter's name. Okay, so I gave my daughter's name Ayushi Institute, and look at that today Ayushi Institute is one of the best class in Vastral, and people say that Ayushi is the best class in Vastral, and not only Vastral but also Ahmedabad, and one of the finest classes of Ahmedabad, and we have also government approved things. So they also have a survey, and they said that your class is not the best but one of the best class. If 5 established class are available in our Ahmedabad, so your IUC Institute is one of the best. And I had been also best professor award in 2017 I think, and because of my work, and
I have listened that you have honored by Narendra Modi also.
yeah, I have been honored by Narendra Modi, but I never told any kind of student, and but this is the story why I want to tell you that, but not English speaking. Actually, I had not been awarded by Narendra Modi by English speaking, but I used to do a job as an English teacher in Swaminarayan Gurukul Hathijan, and at that time Balkrishna B. Rawal was our principal, and because of that survey, the Soi district, our school got third rank. Our school got third rank, and at that time Anandi Ben was the education minister, and Narendra Modi was the chief minister, and they decided that everybody get award like best actor award, best actress award, best singer, best villain, best comedian. So in our teacher field they did not used to give that kind of award. So at that time government decided that the teacher who has done a wonderful job for last 5 years, and they have given a 100% result, so we should honor. So not only me, but along with me 167 were teachers were honored, 167 English teachers of Gujarat, and luckily I was one of them, and I had also been honored. But I never share these kind of things because I was honored by my 10th standard, 12th standard result, not for English speaking course. But that was also a great achievement for me, and that's why that person came and he told me that take our name. Then I got an idea that why I should take another daughter's name. I have a daughter, her name is Ayushi, so I gave my institute name, my academy name is IUC Institute. And really, you know that our IUC Institute is too much famous in our Vastral, and number one classes in
Yes.
Vastral, and one of the best classes in Ahmedabad also.
So absolutely you are completely right that why shouldn't I give my daughter names, and this name become a very lucky for you, and this institute has become a very popular in Ahmedabad. So I am too glad that part of this IUC institute. Now that I want to ask that who is your role model?
Actually, I have already told you that my first role model is Kalpana teacher, and my second role model name is Mr. Balkrishna B. Rawal. But I want to tell you that Balkrishna B. Rawal didn't teach me. Actually, when after B.Ed, when I went to Swaminarayan Gurukul for doing a job like a teacher, English teacher, he was my teacher. And first 3 years, I was too much strict teacher. Actually, if the students used to come at me, he used to tremble.
Yes.
Right? He would tremble at me because I was very strict. And every time I used to beat them, and I would say them, I would beat them like a beat and black. So if they had not completed my homework, I used to beat them a lot. So I was very strict teacher. So 2 or 3 years I did a job like that. And after that, one day, one incident I want to tell you that really so many turning point came in my life. And after 3 years, when I was beating one boy very badly,
Yes.
he didn't completed my homework, so I was beating him very badly.
Yes.
And at that time, Balkrishna B. Rawal was going for some work in another class, and he saw that I was beating a boy. So immediately he called me with a smile. He didn't threaten, he didn't scold me, why are you beating like this and
Yeah.
that. But with love, he called me, Mahendra sir, please come. And I went to him and I said that, why you are beating this boy like a donkey? Like a dog? Why are you beating this boy like a dog or donkey? Then I said that, sir, Monday I gave him a homework, but he didn't complete my homework. I said him, now Tuesday I will beat you. I would beat you if you don't, if you can't complete my work. So he said that, okay sir, Tuesday sure. So Tuesday when I asked him give my homework, he said that no, I haven't completed my homework. Then I said that Wednesday would be the last day for you. Wednesday would be the last day. If complete my homework, otherwise I would beat you black and blue. Sir, it is Wednesday today, he hasn't completed my homework. So that is why I am beating like him. He said, okay Mahendra sir, he is your student, so you may do whatever you want to do, because this is not my right. I am principal, but this is not my right. You may do. But after finishing this lecture, when you have a free lecture, come in my office, I want to meet you. Then I said that, okay, principal would tell me here and there because I was beating the student.
Yes.
So after 6 lecture, I had a free lecture. So in that lecture, I went to meet principal and I told him that, sir, you called me for some work. He said, okay, Mahendra sir, please come. Then he convinced me with politely, with love. Look at the style what he used at me. He said that, Mahendra sir, we have 17 teachers in our school, in our Swaminarayan Gurukul. We have 17 teachers, and you are my favorite teacher. Balkrishna B. Rawal told me that you are my favorite teacher. But I am very upset and I am very unhappy that no student like you, no student love you, because everybody tremble at you and everybody are afraid to you, and they say that Mahendra sir is very strict. So I feel very bad. You are a wonderful teacher. You have been honored by Narendra Modi for your work, and look at that, no student love you. Then he said, yeah, what can I do, because I am strict teacher. He said that then he gave me a wonderful idea, and not idea, he gave me a wonderful line. He told me that, Mahendra sir, you have a girl now. He said, oh, okay, yeah sir, I have a girl. Then he said that, okay, tell me, if in place of this boy, if Ayushi would not complete her homework, in place of this boy, if Ayushi would not have completed her work, so would you have beaten like this? Would you have beaten like this? Then I said that, no yaar, I cannot beat my daughter like this. I cannot beat. Very nice line he said that, ki if Ayushi were in place of this boy, so would you have beaten this boy like this? So automatically that question came, no, I cannot beat my. Then principal told me that, look, I know your answer. You cannot beat your daughter like this because you love your daughter a lot. And you said that if your Ayushi cries, you also cry. Okay, you also feel cry. So he is also someone's son.
Yes.
And he told me that the student to whom you were beating, he is also someone's son, and his
Yes.
papa also loves too much. So okay, 5 fingers are not equal. Don't think that you can give result to the 50 students who are sitting in the class.
Then that kind of things immediately change in my life. He said me that teach with the student love. Okay, if they do, it's okay. If they don't do, it's also okay. You cannot give 100% result, because if 100% students would have learned, so everybody in every house we have a doctor, engineer, and
teacher.
government officers,
Yes.
and like that. Okay, the student who want to learn, you don't have to tell, automatically he will do.
Yes.
The students who doesn't want to do any kind of work, so 100 times if you beat him, he will never do. So don't take a stress. And he told me that, Mahendra sir, live in your students heart.
Yes.
Live
It's
in your
amazing, yes.
live in your students heart. And I'm telling you that actually I live in my students heart. I know that, you know that my vocabulary, all the
You
students,
don't have to tell me. I
yeah,
know
yeah.
that.
So many students love me too much, and so many students respect me a lot.
Yes.
And I have
After
actually,
that incident.
yeah,
yes.
after that incident I completely changed. 80-90% I completely stopped beating any kind of student, and I used to teach them with love. And one line I like it very much. He said that live in your students heart. After 10 year, after 15 year, after 20 year, if your students will call you and tell you that, hi sir, this is Ashish, I used to come in 2013, and because of you today I'm a doctor today. So many students told me that at the time of teacher day, Guru Purnima. So really I want to tell you that because of Balkrishna Birawal, my life, teaching life, and I was a teacher,
Yes.
but I completely changed because of that incident, the way he convinced me. And I would like to thank Mr. Balkrishna Birawal, because that scene came in my life and he convinced me like a son, and I completely changed, and I have given so many results. And I think that all the students love me very much. Actually I haven't got that kind of love from my relatives, but I have got that kind of love from my students a lot. I sometimes I become emotional at how much these students love me too much. And really I just feel that because of that kind of incident I completely changed. And today I live in my students heart, and I give 100%, I give result.
That's-
Because of English they get a wonderful they have a wonderful career. Actually I don't make them doctor, engineer, advocate, but you know that in doctor, engineer, advocate, government officer, they have to speak English.
Yes.
So at that time they remember me, okay, because of Mahendra sir, because of IUC Institute, we have this kind of result.
Yes.
We can speak and communicate with any kind of person in English very nicely. So that thing is very nice for me. So that was my second role model, ideal teacher. And how can I forget my papa? And you asked me that who is a role model. So actually my papa was very poor, but he motivated me a lot. There is also a long story. I don't want to tell you the whole long story because this is an interview, but
Yes.
short and sweet I want to tell you that we were very poor, and always my papa, actually I could not give happiness to my papa, because when I just started my career my salary was only 2000 rupees. At that time my papa died, and sometimes I miss my papa a lot, and I think that I could not give that kind of happiness to my father. And I could give that kind of happiness to my mother is also my role model, but I could not give because my papa started his journey on bicycle, and he completed his journey on bicycle because last time he had a paralysis, so he died. But one thing, he always believed on me, he had a great trust on me. He always told me that, Mahendra, because of you our happy days will come, because of you. One line I always remember that, okay, he had 6 children, 3 brothers, 3 sisters, but my brother was also very clever than I would say that. But my papa used to believe on me a lot. He always used to say that, Mahendra, because of you our happy days will come. And he was right. Today I have a happy day, but unfortunately I don't have my papa.
Yes.
Okay, but these are the 3 main persons of my life: Kalpana teacher, second Balkrishna Birawal, and my parents. Both are they are very nice. Even my brother also, he is also my role model, and he has also supported me a lot in my career. And how can I forget Mahadevan Kokate? Actually I didn't see him, I saw his only photograph, but I follow him. Okay, if you do this kind of work, definitely you can give result to your students. So these are the main and most important person of my life.
And a role model is the most important thing in your life. If you don't have any role model, you cannot do anything in your life. That if you have to achieve something in your life, so you have to have one role model
Yeah.
in your life. Okay, then I want to ask that who are your best result?
Yeah, I have given so many best results which kind of name I want to give you. This is the
Yes,
best
don't
result.
forget me. I want to tell you that.
No, how can I forget you? You are one of my best result. But how can I forget my first best result was Ajay.
Yes.
Actually, Ajay, when I went to his house, I told you that in earlier days I used to take second, third standard
Yes,
tuitions.
yes, yes.
So second, when I was in second, Ajay was in second standard. I went to teach him, and second standard to 12th standard, 10 years I taught him. His papa told me that whatever money you want to take, but teach my son.
Yes.
So I gave Ajay. He's one of my best result. So many names: Wrinkle, you, Ashish, Ajay, Urvashi, and Manish, and so many students like Mr. Shashikant, and he respects me a
You
lot.
have so many
And
students
Akshay,
like housewife,
housewife,
businessmen.
businessmen.
There are
So many
students.
results I have given. If I take some names, so other students will mind that
Yes,
sir
yes.
hasn't taken my. But so many actually, you know that in my class, out of 100, maximum 90% students speak English very nicely, and among them 25 my body, if they come across the foreigner, they can talk and communicate with that kind of person very nicely.
Yes.
So many students I have
In my
class.
journey, in my 3 years of experience in your class, I have seen so many results. So
Yeah.
you have been teaching for last 20 years. So
Yeah.
there are so many results.
So many students, best results.
Okay, so now I have asked you about your institute and how you became a teacher and how is your journey. I have asked many things about you, but now I want to know something interesting that I hope the students would also like to listen. That I have heard that, not I have heard that, I have also experienced that you are teaching with a smile and with a jokes, and you are actor also, I know.
Mhm.
That tell me something, that types of line, that types of Marathi language, please tell.
Okay, actually, I also want to tell you that you are also my assistant teacher, because actually 1 hour students come, so don't teach them maximum 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Actually, they should be at you maximum 1 hour. Actually,
Yes.
when 1 hour completes, look at that, you are taking my interview,
Yes.
but where 45 minutes, 50 minutes complete, you didn't know. I
Yes.
also don't know. So that kind of thing, when you start your any kind of topic, so your 1 hour, where that 1 hour goes, students shouldn't know that.
Yes.
Actually, if you are boring, so that 1 hour looking like a 3 hour.
Yes.
But I always teach my students with smile. I have also smiled. Sometimes I comment on the students, and I also think that they should not mind. And I
Yes.
talk with them with smile, and sometimes I tell them jokes. So while teaching, actually half hour if I have taught them, I think that after watching their face, I think that they are feeling bored.
Bored.
So immediately I tell them joke. Let me tell you the joke.
Joke.
Okay, yeah, you have told me that, sir, tell me any kind of Marathi language.
I have heard that you know so many languages.
Yeah.
So many with accent you can speak.
Yeah, I can copy any kind of person. I am also actor, and you know that actually this is, I don't know how these kind of things came in my life, and if I see any kind of person, immediately I can copy that kind of person. If any Gujarati people is speaking, so if any Kathiawadi people can speak,
Yes.
ए भाई मैंने तो तेरे को कहा था तुझे आना चाहिए ना, तू आया नहीं तो मैं क्या करूँ, मैंने तो तुझे बहुत
Yeah.
कहा था. So immediately I copy that kind of person. Look at that Marathi person. Actually, if any person in a different kind of language, like Bengali, he is speaking Hindi, so he has a different tongue.
Yes.
If Gujarati people are speaking Hindi, so they have a different
Yes.
tongue. If Marathi people speak English, so they have a different tongue. Like that kind of joke I have told you, that Muta, that kind of big
Yes,
30
yes.
person used to
Tell,
come in
tell
a.
the student.
No, I am not telling that. How can I say that there is a very big joke? But in that bus, when that fatty person was coming around and he hit that kind of Marathi person, so he immediately became angry. The Marathi people immediately became angry, and he immediately said that Ticha Maila जबी से देखता है धक्का मारता है ये जाड़िया, कोई कुछ बोलता नहीं, इसका मतलब मारने का क्या मजा आता है क्या, आज ही बार धक्का मारने का नहीं तो पूरा लाल बकरा का खड़ा करेगा. अरे बाबा धक्का नहीं रे बाबा, ने बोला मैं क्या खराब बोला क्या, धरती तू खराब बता क्या खराब बोला क्या, ऐसा है ना मेरे बाजू जो खड़ा है इसको तकलीफ होता है ना. So this kind of things
Yes,
I
yes.
add in my education. So if I teach any kind of student, look at tenses, I have a special made a story.
Yes,
So there was
yes,
a giant, and they have 3 children, like
Yes.
Vartman, Bhut and Bhavishya, present tense, past tense, future tense, they married. So I set that kind of story in my syllabus so that students get interest, and
Yes,
they
knowledge with fun.
Yeah, knowledge with fun. I teach with the fun. So actually when they complete the course they miss my class. Look
Yes.
at that, yeah, we used to come and we enjoy a lot, so they miss, even they go but they miss my class and they said that, yeah, Mahendra sir, that was the wonderful time
Yes.
which I had passed with you. So you are also a teacher, so I also want to tell you that if 45 minutes to 1 hour they come in our class, so whatever students you teach, so we should teach with fun
Yes.
and with smile. So
Yes.
if you are energetic and if you have a smile on your face,
Yes.
so automatically there will be energy. But if you are a boring person,
Yes, and
if you
very true.
teach very boringly and you don't have any kind of energy,
Yes.
and you are like a simple ordinary person, so they will not like you.
Yes.
But they can also, if you teach them 5 minutes, students can, that he is the best teacher.
Yes.
And if you teach any kind of student, you can say that as a teacher he is the best student.
Yes.
Like why? Because of his energy, sitting style, his talking style. After watching, immediately you can recognize that kind of person, which kind of student he is. Students can also recognize that which kind of teacher. Actually, why our students say that, sir, 3 days we will come and after that we will decide we will come or not.
Yeah.
So in these 3 days they see that how this teacher teaches me, right? So this is the most important thing. Always teach with energy. I tell
Yes.
you, anybody, like you are a youngster, I also tell you that teach with energy.
Yes.
Give 100% to the students. Talk with them very nicely. Immediately in future they will see you as like as ideal person,
Yeah.
like you see me ideal person, and so many students see me ideal person like that.
Now, sir, I want to ask you that please tell me that how you give inquiry when any student or parents come in your classes, and second thing, how you convince them. I would like to request you, please tell our viewers, they are watching you by interview, I am taking your interview, please tell them that how you convince them and how you give them inquiry, like why you should do English speaking course.
Okay guys, ma'am has asked me that how I convince the students. If you wanna learn English very nicely, actually first most welcome in our IUC Institute. Actually, if you can come in our class, most welcome. But if you live far away from my Vastral area, so you may also purchase my course. Actually, but if you want to purchase my course, first you need an inquiry. Okay, which kind of inquiry I give, so that kind of things, just understand that I am giving you inquiry, that kind of things. My first point is A to Z grammar. Students, I start teaching with A. A means alphabet. My first chapter is alphabet, then figure 1, 2, 3. You say that why, sir, alphabet? Why we are a BCom? We have completed BCom. Why you are teaching us alphabet? I just want to tell you that it is not my intention to teach you alphabet because everybody know how to write alphabet. My intention is to teach alphabet that I just want to improve your handwriting, right? I just want to improve your handwriting. That is why I teach alphabet. Okay, second chapter is figure. Why I teach figure? I have to teach figure because 70 to 80% parents come in my class, and when they give me the fees, I see that they write their check with very bad handwriting. In Gujarati language they write, but I think that only 16 spellings if you learn, definitely you may write lakh, crores, billions, millions, that kind of check you may write after completing this figure chapter. So I teach every chapter like a time also, because you know that what my Mahadan Kokade told me, that if you whatever sentences you are speaking, you have to teach all the chapters. If you teach all the chapters, so your students can speak all the chapters. Look at that, so many classes they have not set a chapter like time. Actually, if you want to speak अभी 3.5 बनने में 5 कम है, if you want to speak this kind of line, अभी 3.5 बनने में 5 कम है, आप कैसे बोलोगे? How you will speak that kind of line? But if I teach you this thing, time, we have a topic, lecture number 14, lesson number 14, time. So I teach you how to speak time in English. So if you want to say 3.5 बनने में 5 मिनट कम है, so if you speak like 5 minutes, it is 5 minutes left in 3:30 now, it is 4:45 now, it is 5 minutes left in 6 o'clock now. So if you speak that kind of line, so automatically you can speak that kind of if anyone asks you what is the time now, so you can tell that kind of time in English. So in short, I want to tell you that A to Z grammar. Students, I have set 75 main chapters, 75 lessons I have set in my syllabus. So all the 12 tenses, 30 helping verbs. In this helping verbs, simple helping verb like modal auxiliaries, all the chapters like direct, indirect, active, passive, degrees and clauses and phrases and double comparisons, all the chapters. You cannot say that, sir, this chapter you haven't sent, right? So all the kind of sentences, not only this kind of 75 chapters, but also I have set interesting things, just like kitchen English. मैं आटा गूंद रही हूँ, तो दैट काइंड ऑफ इंग्लिश आई हैव ऑल्सो सेड, जा और चुल्लू भर पानी में मर जा, दैट काइंड ऑफ इंग्लिश, दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स व्हेन वी यूज. मैं टीवी देखते देखते सो गया, सो हाउ कैन आई से दैट लाइन कि आई slept watching TV? No, I slept while watching TV. So I know that where my student confused to speak English, all the kind of lines I have set in my syllabus, so don't worry about that. A to Z grammar. And my ideal teacher was also used to say that if you teach them all the chapters, so all the lines they can speak English very nicely, not only lessons but also group discussion. In my class, I want to tell you that first, after finishing, if I teach you degree, right, if I teach you degree, I will teach you degree at least 45 minutes in the class, like video, on the video also. But after that, you will have to speak. After finishing that degree, you have to see that 100 sentences. You will read that 100 sentences, then you will translate that 100 sentences in English. If you come in my class, I will make you practice like that, right? If you come in my class, I will make you practice like that, like 100 sentences you have to speak. Look at that. This is the first round. Second round, when you go to home, you have to write that 100 sentences, right? You have to write that 100 sentences. This is the second practice. Third practice, okay, you have written that kind of 100 sentences in on Monday. So on Tuesday when you comes, so I will check that kind of sentences, right? Like out of 100 sentences, if you 82 sentences are right, 18 sentences are wrong, so I will teach you that 18 sentences again. This is the third round. If you are watching with me video, if you have purchased my course, so we will speak. My assistant teacher will ask me in Hindi, I will reply in English, so you can check by yourself also, by video also. And the fourth round, you will have to communicate with the people face to face, because you know that wherever we go, we have to communicate with the people face to face English, right? So this is the fourth round. The students, 100 sentences you speak, you practice 400 times. Students, I just give you one example. If one movie you see 4 times, automatically you know everything about that movie. So if you practice 4 times, so you can imagine that if you practice 4 times, so automatically lifetime you can speak that kind of line very nicely. So this kind of practice we make from the students. And I just want to tell you that this is the group discussion, then audio video round. After finishing our course, students sit in front of the projector, and I will show them like a serial, like a play role, like a movie. Okay, so they will see that kind of movie and play role, and after that they will communicate that kind of things in English by sitting in my class. Okay, that is the audio video round. And if you speak like a Bajrangi Bhaijaan, if I have played Bajrangi Bhaijaan, so you see that Bajrangi Bhaijaan movie, and after that Bajrangi Bhaijaan movie, if you translate that whole movie in English, so you will realize that now I can speak English very nicely, right? So this is the audio video round. Then lifetime practice is free. Just like I want to tell you that in Gujarat only 1% people can speak English, but in my class out of 100 I give 90%, 85 to 90% result. But 10 to 15%, why they don't get result? Because they don't come regularly. They don't come regularly in my class. They don't follow me. So that is why 10 to 15%, 5 fingers are not equal, so all the students are also not equal, so they don't do my work properly. That is why they don't get result. But if those students want to come again, so most welcome, without taking fees I will teach. That is the lifetime practice. Government approved certificate I also provide. And after that state practice, I give them state practice. I call the students on the stage on podium, and I give them any kind of joke, any kind of story, any kind of tell about Sachin Tendulkar, tell about your family, tell about yourself, tell about any kind of story and jokes and any kind of event, like what did you do in Corona, at the time of Corona, what did you do, how did you pass your 2 months. So that kind of things, I ask that kind of question, and in front of the 20 students they speak that kind of state performance. And after that personal development course, how can you forget personal development course? You must have personal development course, because people teach in other classes, they specially take money, they specially take money for learning that kind of personal development course. But in my class I don't take any money, and I'm not telling you I teach you in free, because I think that if your parents have given me if you have given me your 5 to 6 months, so definitely it's my duty. If my 20 lectures effect on your life, so definitely I feel honor for myself that I can, because of my speech, his life has completely changed. Because in my interviews and so many students have given the review and they have said that Mahendra sir likes one line a lot: prepare yourself for tomorrow. So I describe why prepare yourself for tomorrow. I cannot describe right now because it will take a lot of time. So prepare yourself for tomorrow. My students so many students like one line a lot: give 7 years of your entire life and enjoy your 70 years of your life. So these are the personal development course, so I have to give. So because of my speech, if their life completely changed, so I feel honor, I feel proud on myself. Look at that, because of me his life has completely changed. Because some speeches, some incident, I told you in my speech when ma'am was taking my interview, I said that some turning points, some automatically scenes come in your life automatically. So automatically you change after that. So that is the personal development course. And last but not least, body language and mountain movement exercise. How you communicate with the people, because if I ask any kind of students कि आकाश में बहुत तारे हैं लेकिन ध्रुव का तारा एक ही है. Okay, students speak, but he speak like there are many stars in the sky, but there is only one pole star in the. Students speak like this. So I tell him, look at that, you are watching here and there, you are watching here, and no, don't speak like this. Okay, face to face, look at that, I am watching at you and I am telling you there are many stars in the sky, but there is only one person, and that is my mama. Okay, if you wanna come, just come, otherwise just go to hell. If you are fighting with your friend and he doesn't come with you, so hello, I am talking to you. If you wanna come, just come, otherwise just go to hell. Okay, just get out from here. So like this body language, I tell them, you tell that kind of sentence, because in my 100 sentences I said imperative sentence, negative sentence, in positive sentences, WH, active voice, passive voice, all kind of sentences with different sense I have said. So they should speak that kind of line in body language. And last but not least, I give 100% result. लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती है. इफ़ यू सपोर्ट मी, यू नो दैट. अगर मैं एक हाथ से ताली बजाना चाहूँ तो नहीं बज सकती, लेकिन 2 हाथ से ताली बज सकती है. राइट गाइज? सो अगर आप मुझे सपोर्ट करते हो, इफ़ यू सपोर्ट मी, आई विल मेक यू स्पीक इंग्लिश. मैं आपको इंग्लिश बोलते करूँगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग मी very carefully.
Okay sir, so you have given a wonderful speech to all our students. They are watching you and I'm damn sure they would like it very much, as well as I like it very much. So thank you so much for giving your important time to us. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.